Hi, we are Group 4. Today, we are going to talk about compound interest and annuity. This is our group mate. The formula. Set the case study 1. Fatima plans to invest RM12,000 for 3 years. She has two options. Bank X offering 5.8% compounded quarterly and Bank Y offering 5.5% compounded monthly. So the first question is A. Which bank should she choose? Show your working. Here, we are using the S equal to P, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket with the power of N, because we are trying to find S. So P equal to 12,000 ringgit, T equals to 3 years. So Bank X offers 5.8% compounded quarterly and Bank Y offers 5.5% compounded monthly. For Bank X, it is S equal to 12,000, open bracket 1 plus 5.8% per 4, close bracket raised to the power of 12. And the answer would be 14,262 ringgit 84 cents. Because S equal to 12,000, open bracket 1 plus 5.5% per 12, close bracket raised to the power of 36. Fatima will certainly choose Bank X because the maturity value is higher than Bank Y. The next question, we have B. If she invests 14,000 ringgit in Bank X for 5 years and 3 months, how much interest will she earn? For this one, P equal to 14,000, T equal to 5 years and 3 months. But here, we have to change the month into year by doing division, which is 3 divided with 12. So you will get 0.25. So your years will be 5.25 years. And you will also have to find the N. N is 5.25 years times 4. So you will get 21.
Bank Y, it would
Now,
be
put it all in the equation and you will get
14,147
ringgit and 79 cents. Then, to find the interest, you would just have to do subtraction by S minus P. So, 18,941 ringgit 79 cents minus 14,000, and the answer will be 4,941 ringgit and 79 cents.
So for case study 1, we have question C and D. So first, let's take a look at question C. She wants to have RM30,000 in 6 years. If she choose Bank Y, how much should she deposit? Okay, so first, we need to identify the value first. A equals to 30,000, R, which is rate, equals to 0.055, and M equals to 12, and time equal to N. And N equals to M multiplied with T, we will get to 72. And I equals to K under M equals to 0.055 under 12, which is, we will get 0.0045833. Next, by using the rearrange formula, which is the A equals to R in bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I, bracket under I, and with the power of negative N, bracket. And then 30,000 equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.0045833 under 0.0045833, bracket with the power of negative 72, bracket. Then we will get 30,000 equals to 1.34885 R. Bring R to the front, and the R equals 30,000 divided with 1.34885. And with that, finally, we will get RM 22,241.16. Now moving on to the next question, we have D. She decided to invest RM 30,000 in Bank X. She wants to grow it to RM 65,000. How long will it take? So here we have P equals to 30,000, S equal to 65,000, and K equals to 0.058, and M equals to 4, N equals to M multiplied with T, we will get 4T, and I equals to K under M equals to 0.058. Divided with 4, we will get 0.015145. By using the rearrange formula, which is the S equal to P, bracket 1 plus I, bracket with the power of N, we get 65,000 equals to 30,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.058, bracket with the power of N. And the next step is 65,000 divide with the 30,000 and equals to, in bracket 1.058, bracket with the power of N. Next, by losing the log, we will use log 2.166666667 equals to log in bracket 1.058 with the bracket and the power of N. And then log 2.166666667 equals to N log 1.058. This shows that we already put the N on the front. And next step, we have log 2.166666667 divide with the log 1.058. equals to n. Then we will get 0.3358 divided with the 0.0245. Finally, we will get t equals to 13 years.
Study 2, question 1. Ali borrows 25,000 at 4.2% interest compounded monthly. He repays it in equal monthly installment for 4 years. A. Find the monthly payment. B. If he paid off the loan after 42 payments, what is the remaining balance? So for question A, we use this formula. A equal to R, which is A RM 25,000 in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I, which is I K per M. That means 0.042, the interest rate, per 12 as an interest period. In this question, we use negative n as a power. Negative n equal to m multiply t, which means m is 12 and t is 4. And then we divide all of this with I. So the final answer for question A is RM 566.72. For question B, if he pays off the loan after 42 payments, what is the remaining balance? So firstly, we have to calculate n, which means n equal to 48 minus 42, and we get 6. After that, we use the same formula as question A. A equal to 566.72 in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.042 per 12. Power of negative 6 and divide to 0.042 per 12. And the answer gonna be 3,359.05.
For this question, Amira takes a loan of 20,000 ringgit for 5 years at an interest rate of 4.1% compounded monthly. For this question, we are asked to determine the monthly payment and total interest and calculate how much her fourth payment would be if she missed the first 3 payments. Let us start with A. To calculate the monthly payment, we use the formula of loan first, which is P equals to R multiplied by open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket raised to the power of negative number of n, then divided by the I close bracket, where P is the loan amount of 20,000 ringgit, R is the monthly payment we need to find, I is the monthly interest rate of 4.1% divided by 12, which is 0.041 divided by 12 equals to 0.003417. And lastly, n is the number of months, which is 5 years multiplied by 12 equals to 60 months. Now, when we plug the values into the formula, we will get R equals to 369 ringgit and 23 cents. So Amira must pay 369 ringgit and 23 cents every month for 5 years. To find the total interest, we multiply the monthly payment by the number of payments, then subtract the original loan amount. So in words, total interest equals open bracket 60 multiplied by 369 ringgit and 23 cents close bracket minus 20,000 ringgit. This gives an interest of 2,153 ringgit and 80 cents. So for over 5 years, Amira pays a total interest of 2,153 ringgit and 80 cents. So let's go to B. If Amira misses 3 monthly payments, we calculate how much she needs to pay in the 4th month to fully clear the arrears, including interest. We use the future value of an ordinary annuity formula, which is arrears amount equals monthly payment multiplied by open bracket 1 plus interest rate close bracket raised to the power of number of months minus 1 divided by interest rate close bracket, where R is the monthly payment, which is 369 ringgit and 23 cents. I is the monthly interest rate of 0.003417, and n is 4 because we are compounding the 3 missed payments until the 4th month. So we substitute the values. S equals 369 ringgit and 23 cents multiplied by open bracket 1 plus 0.003417 close bracket raised to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by 0.003417 close bracket. Calculating this gives S equals to 1,484 ringgit and 51 cents. So if Amira misses 3 payments, she must pay 1,484 ringgit and 51 cents in the 4th month to fully catch up.